internal carotid artery that is hidden by the anterior margin of the sternocleidomastoid. So these vessels expose after the retraction of the sternocleidomastoid. They are the content of the sternocleidomastoid, and also the deep relation of sternocleidomastoid, because these are deep to the sternocleidomastoid anterior margin. And on the surface of this internal jugular vein, the lymph nodes, they are deep cervical lymph nodes. The upper group, they are called jugulodigastric, because they are just at the angle of jugular vein and digastric. And another, this is jugulo-omohyoid, above the angle between the jugular vein and omohyoid muscle. So these group of the lymph nodes, they are called jugulo-omohyoid, jugulodigastric, and other lymph node also lies along the wall of the internal jugular vein. They are deep cervical lymph nodes. And also the terminal vessels, veins of internal jugular vein, the names are similar to the arteries of external carotid artery. That is the vein, they are the superior thyroid vein, and lingual vein, common facial vein, pharyngeal vein, and occasionally occipital vein. And nerves in this carotid triangle, the last three cranial nerves, that is the first, there is the spinal accessory nerve passes downward from the superior angle. Superficial are deep to the internal jugular vein, and then enters into the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Other nerve, that is the vagus nerve, descends between the internal jugular vein and internal carotid artery. And other nerve, that is the hypoglossal nerve, form a loop with the downward convexity. It crosses superficial to internal, then external carotid artery, then also superficially crosses the lingual artery, and then also crosses superficial to hyoglossus muscle. So this nerve is superficial nerve, okay, because it is superficial to all these structures in the carotid triangle, that is the hypoglossal 12th cranial nerve.